Hello kids, welcome to Kiddos TV. Today we are going to learn alphabets. We will be coloring all these alphabets and find the missing ones. Let's get started. This is A. A for apple. What comes after A? B. B for ball. This is C. C for cat. What comes after C? D. D for dog. This is E. E for elephant. What comes after E? F. F for fish. What comes after F? G. G for goat. This is H. H for hat. What comes after H? I. I for ice cream. This is J. J for joker. What comes after J? K. K for kite. This is L. L for lion. This is M. M for monkey. What comes after M? N. N for nest. This is O. O for owl. What comes after O? P. P for parrot. This is Q. Q for queen. What comes after Q? R. R for rose. What comes after R? S. S for sun. This is T. T for tiger. What comes after T? U. U for umbrella. This is V. V for van. What comes after V? W. W for watermelon. This is X. X for Xmas. This is Y. Y for yo-yo. What comes after Y? Z. Z for zebra. Thank you kids for coloring all these alphabets and finding the missing ones. I hope you liked it. Do like and subscribe. Bye bye.